Hello, thank you for clicking on this video to see this this very nice Boardman hybrid HYB 8.6 in nice gloss green. It's a medium-sized frame, which was for a rider of about 5'9" up to about 6 foot. And it's an ideal road hybrid. You can also use it on hardpack gravel sort of trails if you want to as well, ideally for commuting or road riding. And very popular bikes, very well equipped, nice range of gearing, nice strong wheels, not overly heavy, and just a nice smooth bike to ride. So let's have a closer look at this particular example. So we bought it directly from the owner's home here on the Isle of Wight, where we're based. As we do all of our bikes, we only ever buy directly from people's houses. It helps us verify ownership. Not that that really is an issue here on the Isle of Wight. Cycle theft is very, very uncommon here. But we like to be belt and braces and check. We go to people's homes. We never allow them to bring the bikes to us or to meet in a third-party place or anything like that. We always check frame numbers against registers anyway. But also it gives us a chance to meet the owner, see how the bike was stored, and generally get a feeling. And that way we can be quite selective. We probably, for every 10 bikes we look at, we might only buy 4 or 5, possibly 6. But it gives us a good feeling for the bike and how it's been looked after. Anyway, enough waffle of that. Let's have a closer look at the actual bike. So as I say, it's the medium. So about 5'9" to about 6 foot, or as Boardman handily write on their label here, 177 centimetre to 183 centimetre. Nice condition throughout, as we can see from the paintwork here. These gloss painted Boardmans are slightly harder wearing paint finish than the matte finish ones, which seem to be the trend at the moment. A couple of just surface marks where they carried a cable lock around the frame, a bit of T-cut and a bit of elbow grease. That will come up under a treat anyway. It's not broken through the paint. Down the forks here, lovely condition. You've got Boardman's own hybrid wheels, which are a strong double wall deeper section rim, coupled with your disc brake there. Little bit of cable rub just at the top here. Just see where the cables rub as you turn corners and things, which is pretty par for the course. It's purely cosmetic. There's not many bikes it doesn't happen to. It's even got the original sales label on there as well. So up on your controls here, so you've got hydraulic brake levers. It's Shimano Olivio gear levers. Shows you which gear you're in as you're changing. 9 speed at the back, 2 at the front. And going on the back of the bike here, tell from the chainstay and seat stays here how well it's been looked after. Shimano Olivio gearing, nice wide range. The tyres on these are Schwalbe. Schwalbe tyres come complete with what they call a K-guard, which helps, sort of a Kevlar band within the tyre, helps resist punctures. And they've also got a reflective sidewall, which really shows up at night, car headlights. So that's the Schwalbe Citizen K-guard tyres. Let's swing around the other side. Comes complete with a bell, which works. And look at the paintwork on this side. It's as nice as the other side, if not even nicer. Very well looked after machine. So there we are. If you're in the market for a nice, well-designed, good quality aluminium frame and fork hybrid bike, you're not going to go far wrong with this. Go to our website, recyclewight.com, and there'll be more photos, copy of this video, a bit of information, and the all-important buy it now button if you want to be the first to buy it. Click that button, pay online on the website, and we can ship anywhere in the UK. Okay, thank you for watching.